Imagine a world where autonomous vehicles rule the roads, drones fill the skies, and biotechnology is the norm. How does insurance navigate this brave new world? Welcome to a journey of discovery and innovation. Consider the case of a self-driving taxi in Singapore. In 2020, it collided with a truck that had made an illegal U-turn. The question arose, who bears the liability? The software provider, the taxi company, the vehicle manufacturer? The answer, it turned out, required a complete rethinking of traditional insurance models. Or picture this, a drone delivery service in California malfunctions, causing a package to fall and damage a property. Again, who is responsible? The drone operator, the property owner, the delivery company? It took an insurance company with a forward-thinking approach to emerging technologies to solve the mystery. Now, let's delve into the world of biotechnology. A patient in Germany received a gene therapy treatment that led to unexpected side effects. Who covers the costs of the procedure gone wrong? The hospital? The treatment provider? The patient? It took a bold insurance company to step in and provide a solution. These are not isolated incidents, they're harbingers of a future where emerging technologies will increasingly intersect with our daily lives. They're also a call to action for insurance professionals to evolve, innovate, and adapt. London Insurance Week 2024 presents a golden opportunity to be at the forefront of this evolution. It's a platform to engage with industry leaders, innovators, and visionaries. It's a chance to explore new insurance models, understand the risks of emerging technologies, and prepare for the future. This isn't just about attending an event, it's about being part of a movement that's shaping the future of insurance. It's about ensuring that as technology advances, insurance does not lag behind. It's about making sure that when the next case study happens, you're not just reading about it, you're part of the solution. So mark your calendar for London Insurance Week 2024. Be ready to engage, learn, and lead in an industry that's changing faster than ever. The future of insurance is here, are you?